Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm going to introduce you first of all to my daughter. JAMJAMIEI. She have her own channel up here. She does fashion, makeup, all that good stuff. So I'm wanting to check out her channel. Don't forget, not just check it out, like and subscribe, right?
Yes, thank you.
For more nice videos. Also, I want to introduce you guys to my boy, Future.
My first son. Okay, this is my baby. Alright, this tag is called the Secret Diary YouTube tag. How long have you been on YouTube?
I think I've been on YouTube maybe about a year. Yeah, a little bit over a year.
Yeah, I've been on YouTube about 2 years.
About 2 years.
Yeah, I think so. 2 years.
Also, right?
Yeah. At what point do you think you will stop? I think they're talking about stop YouTube.
Well, stop YouTube or stop my channel
making videos.
No, well, I don't think there's a stop to that. You know, we love what we do, right?
It's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
You know, you meet so much people. You interact with a whole bunch of people. You know, some extreme positive people. I mean, sometimes you have a bad day, a real bad day, you know, and you get a real inspirational message where we want to make it all ball and them thing there. You know what time I ball and them read the messages then? Yeah, just keep the messages them coming because we really appreciate it. Yeah.
And if anybody is confused of my mother's accent, she's Jamaican and so am I.
100%.
You know, I'm 100% Jamaican, but the accent kind of went away. I don't know. But when I get upset and stuff, it come out.
Very upset. Yeah.
That laugh was horrible. But whatever. Number 3.
Number 3 question.
The tree question.
Tree. Well, like I said, the best thing I think about YouTube is just the idea of doing what I love to do best, which is getting dressed up, girly, and most of all, cooking. I love the cooking, yeah man, cooking from I was a little girl. So to share the talent with everybody out there is a blessing. So I think that's the best thing about YouTube.
The best thing for me about YouTube is when me like I edit a video and then I put it up. And then I see the feedback.
Try the Miss Editor. I don't know nothing about editing, you know. I just know for just cook and talk and whatever and just gear it and say edit and
TMI. Too much information.
DWL.
But me, what that?
Let's move on.
Number 4, the worst thing. What do you do to make it okay? The worst thing about YouTube.
Well, the worst thing, I'm going to be honest with you guys. The worst thing is when you know you do your hardest and your best, and then when you say ching message, right, and then you go read a message somebody that tell you say, oh, this nasty and oh, you're ugly and you know, mad negativity. You know, when I deal with negativity, we deal with love and unity. You see what I say? Like the song said, love and unity. You know what I say? That we deal with. So when I see all messages like them thing there, it just make me just even more want to do more betterment. You see what I say? Yeah. Right?
When you say stuff like that, I don't really care. I will read it and then be like, okay, well.
I read it and then, you know what I'm doing? Time I read it, that's what I do.
Laugh.
Look here.
To make it okay.
Yeah.
Basically make more videos. Just
make
think
more
of
videos.
Something and try to do
just
it better
make
next
more
time.
videos. That's all you can do.
Because you can't please everybody.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Every video you make, somebody not gonna like it, and then they might have the thumbs down and then thumbs down and whatever. So
you know, 7 brothers, 7 different minds. So I'm not saying everybody can't think alike.
So whatever.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Number 5.
Number 5.
How many thumbnail options do you usually take? I take about 4 thumbnail pictures, and I do the same for her.
Well, yeah. Whatever. Let me tell her, say she do all the editing, so I'm gonna have nothing to do with that. She can't. She can't click away. Click, snap, and she does work her magic.
YouTube crush. You have any YouTube crush? I know she don't have no YouTube crush. Who do you watch that you really like on YouTube? You have anybody that you really like on YouTube?
I don't want to piss off nobody, you know. So I'm not going to answer that one day.
She don't have no YouTube. She don't have none yet. She just have herself.
Yeah.
Just try to make our channel as best, you know, good as possible, so you guys can enjoy it.
Yeah, that's right.
Me, YouTube crush. Oh my god, I don't have a YouTube crush, but I have girls that I do watch. Like Dulcie Kelly. I watch her a lot. Before I even start making videos, that's who I did watch. Pink Mail. I love Pink Mail. She's the one from Africa, and she do all the dances.
Yeah, I love the dances. You know what I like about that girl? She just keep it 100.
Yes, Pink Mail.
You see people keep it 100, and them the itch.
Yeah, shout out to her.
Yeah, big up to Pink Mail if she watch this, because when I like people, the fake people them. And one them where, you know what I say, just come on and being fake.
Oh, Latoya Forever.
Yeah, Latoya Forever.
She's so funny.
She mad funny.
She's from
she keep it 100 too.
West Indians in the house.
Big up all West Indian names.
Who's on your collab wishes? Who you want to do a collab with? That you wish you can do a collab with? I don't think she have a collab.
You know what?
Right now.
I'm not think more. I'm not think I have none on the gender yet.
Nope.
You know what I say? Not being picky or nothing like that. But sometimes you have to keep a circle small. Because sometimes, you know, for me, collaborations is a bigger issue for me, because sometimes people just be nice with them because I'm wanting to collab with them, and as soon as a collaboration over, them just collaborate it to the next exit. I'm gonna depend with them, you know. So you know what? But just go and go through with collaboration a problem.
How long until you actually click record to start a video?
How long?
Mommy be like,
no, you know what?
Wait a second. Wait so about probably a minute
or two. Because guess what? I have to make sure so the ear now kick up. I want to let my ear kick up now. But anyway, I have to make sure so everything in the right place before you take a picture. Click it and look on it and then think the same thing with the video into. You have to make sure so everything in the right place before you even think about making other people see it. Because you don't know criticism and them something. Sometimes you cannot hit a ball, touch a button. You know what I'm saying?
Click. But that's when I'm ready. But sometimes I mess up. I'm like, oh God.
You depend on art attack. Art snap.
But whatever, you know, let's go with it. You know, if I mess up, I know to edit, so I just edit it out or whatever.
Edit that.
Let's keep going.
I miss editor. This is not loud.
You're bad. I don't know if I do editing. Yeah, I'm trying my best. Right now, I'm using Sony Pro 12. Shout out to Tinsu. I put her link right here, to our channel, my girl, and she told me about this editor, and that's what I'm using now, and it's hard, I'm telling you. How do you feel about the YouTube community and culture?
Well, the YouTube community is, you know, I kind of like it because you know why? Not only you communicate with people from your country, like Jamaica, right? But you get to meet people from like all walks of the world. People all the time see them there, China, subscribe. People there, Venezuela, all about the place, subscribe. You see me? So you get, you know, you get from exposure. You get to meet people, communicate with people, and it's just. It's good.
The comedy for me is really fun. Like I said, I love watching Latoya Forever. The beauty community is okay, but a lot of girls right now is just like fighting each other. It's kind of negative right now. So with that said, the culture is good, because it's something when you have something going on in your life, like negative stuff, you could always go to your channel and upload a video because it makes you feel better. This is something that you love. So for me, it's positive. I just like tune out all the negative stuff that's going on and all the negative comments or whatever that's going on. So for me, it's pretty good. I think it's really good. What's your secret to a successful channel? What's your secret to a successful
my secret is
channel?
Well, for me, it's just getting better and better. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, learning.
Just stay focused.
Yeah.
Learn it, because you're never too old to learn.
Yeah.
You know, once in a while you go sneak on somebody else thing, you go copy and paste it. But once in a while you can sneak and think, you get to learn, you know, more exposure, so see what you might be doing wrong, what you want to learn. Just like other people sneak on your thing and go, you know, try a thing, nothing wrong with that. I
can't tell you what's the secret to a successful channel, because we're not successful. We're successful in our own world. We're successful in our own world. But I could just tell you this. do what makes you happy and don't follow everybody and don't do what everybody do. If you want to do a makeup tutorial, do it. If you want to just come on your channel and talk, just do it.
If you want to come on without no makeup on,
just
do it. Be yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
The fake business and the pretend and the spooky business and all them things. Be yourself. Be who you are. People appreciate you more when you come on here and be yourself. Now, if somebody can't appreciate realist, then you know what?
Last question. This was such a fun tag. I really enjoyed this tag.
Yep.
And it's really short too. So it's saying, who do we tag? Everybody who decide to do this tag, right? We tag you guys, the guys that's watching.
If you want some more videos like this, realness, you have to like it. When you like it, then you comment. You see what I say?
Yeah.
And say something, and trust me, we'll say something back. Sometimes it's kind of hard to like answer everybody and them thing there, but don't forget, don't think for a minute that we don't read all the comments. I do work. You know, I do have my boo, you know what I'm saying? And I do have my puppy. You know, I'm a mom. I have a daughter. That's my daughter, and I have a daughter who is 12. So I do have a life beyond this life. So just bear up with me if me take long to answer a question about a recipe or an outfit of the day or something like that. Then, you know, just be patient. I didn't forget you guys. All right?
Yes, my dear.
Yes. All right, so we just want to thank you, all of you guys, for watching us. Hopefully we'll do another fun tag video like this. You know, just big up and thanks for watching. All right, we will see you in the next video.
Bye.